I'm Anil Kumar. In this video, we'll review the techniques for sketching lines from the given equation. The question here is to sketch the following lines. Y equals to minus 2x plus 4, 2x minus 3y equals to 6, x over 2 plus y over 3 equals to 1, and y equals to 5. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions, right? So let me just sketch or make a graph paper here. So we're just drawing few lines which will help us to sketch the line, right? So okay, so the idea is to understand the concept. So slight inaccuracies in this graph will not really affect our learning. Okay, that is the concept. Okay, and I hope that will help you. At times we do make rough sketches, so it's kind of handy. Okay, that should be sufficient. The first line is y equals to minus 2x plus 4. Now this is slope-intercept form. From this equation, you can read slope m as minus 2 and y-intercept b as 4, correct? So 1, 2, 3, 4 is the y-intercept. Slope of minus 2 means you can go down 1 and right? Go down 1 and then right. So these points should lie on a line, correct? Joining these points, we get our line. So I'll just use a rough sketch here since we're doing everything rough here. So we can just join these points with a straight line. Okay, let's select this. So this becomes part A, which is y equals to minus 2x plus 4. So whenever you're given slope-intercept form, first identify the y-intercept, which is 4 in this case, and then slope is minus 2. That means 2 over 1. Minus means you can go down. You could also go up, right? 2 steps and 1 left. You could do that. Now for B, we have 2x minus 3y equals to 6. Let me do some work here to sketch this line, which is 2x minus 3y equals to 6. We can find x and y intercepts, right? So let's find x-intercept. X-intercept is when y equals to 0. Is it okay? So if I write y 0, I get 2x equals to 6, or x is equals to 3, correct? So 1, 2, 3, that is my x-intercept. We can also find the y-intercept by substituting x as 0. If I write x 0, I get minus 3y equals to 6, and that gives me y equals to minus 2, right? Dividing 6 by minus 3, so minus 2 is right there. So joining this, we will get our line, which is, let me just sketch this one. Okay, so I'll join these points to sketch that line. Is it okay? So that becomes the line which represents part B, where the x-intercept is 3 and the y-intercept is minus 2. You get an idea, right? So that is part B. Now let's see how to sketch part C, which is x over 2, y over 3 equals to 1. And this is a very interesting equation. We call this as intercept form. This equation is called intercept form. You can read x and y intercepts. X-intercept is 2 in this case, right? So x-intercept is 2 and y-intercept is 3, which is here. Joining these 2 points, we could directly sketch this line, right? So let's sketch this line joining these 2 intercepts. So what we will have here is, so x-intercept is 2, which is right there. y-intercept is 3, which is there. So we just join. I'll use a different kind of a line here, kind of dotted line, okay? So that becomes my line for C. So this is C for us. You can also find, which is x over 2 plus y over 3 equals to 1. Let me show you. If I have x over 2 plus y over 3 equal to 1, for x-intercept, y is 0. Is that okay? So if y equals to 0, then x equals to, if y is 0, hide this, right? So x equals to 2, cross multiply, x equals to 2. And if I put x equals to 0, in that case, y over 3 is 1 or y equals to 3. Do you see that? So these are the two intercepts. Y-intercept of 3, x-intercept of 2. Joining 2 points will get a straight line. Is it okay? So that is how you could do part C. Let's do part D. Y equals to 5. So y equals to 5 means it's a horizontal line. The slope is 0. At every point, the y value is 5. Is it okay? So a line like this is y equals to 5. A horizontal line. Is that okay? So that is how you could easily sketch lines when you are given an equation. Is it okay? Now if you have, let's make part E. Let me write down E here as x equals to minus 2. Can you sketch this line? X equals to minus 2 will mean that the value of x is always minus 2. So it's going to be the vertical line. It has undefined slope, right? So this line is x equals to minus 2. I hope with this you understand how to sketch lines when they're given in different forms. I'm Anil Kumar. If you appreciate it, you can put some likes. You can always share my videos and subscribe to them. Thank you and all the best.